What is something that your parents did that you will never forgive them for? When I got pregnant with my first child, I remember how my friends and family wanted to meet her. After 7 years of trying, she was our miracle. I set up a rule that my friends and family can meet her 20 days after getting discharged from the hospital. My husband was at work that time when I needed to go to Walmart to get her a new brand of diapers since she was having some skin allergic reaction. I called my mom, she said yes, so I dropped her off at my mom's house, hoping to avoid her being exposed in public. My baby was just 15 days old. When I picked her up from my mom's house, within 3 hours she developed a high fever. She was having a hard time breathing, so I rushed her to hospital. The doctor came back to me and told me she possibly got a viral infection. The doctor later ruled out it was viral meningitis. It was a matter of life and death. The only person who got close to my daughter was my mother. I called her to the hospital and lied that it was only her at the house at that time. When my daughter didn't make it due to multiple organ failure, my mother came to me and apologized. She told me that she didn't know her boyfriend was sick and had herpes at that time he kissed my newborn daughter. I cut ties with her after she defended him and told me that I will never be a good mother.